I was going through your notes, and this one really caught my attention, this line. You're saying it's not always smooth sailing, but we believe the Hong Kong equity market can transform itself into the Nasdaq of the East. And why I find that interesting is because, we've seen good returns on the Hong Kong market already, but if that transformation happens, then do we see bumper gains and returns like the Nasdaq here as well?
Potentially, actually. So we like Hong Kong. We're overweight Hong Kong. We're neutral on China, and I'm talking about the Chinese stocks that are listed in Hong Kong. We like the Asia market a little bit better, but that's a kind of a near-term consideration. The reason why we mentioned that Nasdaq of the East is we see this homecoming. We see a completely kind of change in the mix and the makeup of the Hang Seng Index potentially over the next couple of years, as many more tech companies are listing here. That's already happened over the last couple of years, but that will only further accelerate most likely over the course of the next couple of years. So I think by, say, 2023, the Hong Kong market might actually look quite differently and be much more tech-centric than it is even today. And it could be the most kind of techy market in the region, more so than maybe Japan and Singapore. Taiwan and Korea are tech markets as well, but the nature of tech is very different here. It's more hardware tech and exporters, while here in Hong Kong we have more China-centric and software companies.
But isn't it a case of too much when it comes to tech listings and tech exposure to the markets, whether it's with the Hong Kong index, Hang Seng Index, that is the tech index there, or the star market on the mainland, and of course we also have the Shanghai market there. So isn't there too much exposure for tech listings in this part of the world, especially in Greater China?
It would be nice if we would, I would phrase it actually differently. I think it would be very nice if we could see more tech companies listing in other parts of Asia as well. I'm talking about India, I'm talking about markets such as Indonesia, ASEAN in general. And that is happening, but it's faster in North Asia, particularly China, Hong Kong. Is it bad? No, I don't think so. It's just a new kind of industry that has emerged over the last decade. It's listing itself, and there's good appetite for it. We have a lot of regional investors that are emerging and very active in markets. They like these companies. So I think it's good for demand, it's good for supply, it's good for markets. We see healthy development and changes in the makeup of these markets as we progress. So I consider it to be a positive, actually.